Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new tool that I added on my website freemediatools.com. So this tool allows you to export your random raw text which you submit inside the text area into PDF document. So this is basically the interface of the tool here, and the link is given, guys. You can try out this tool live here. It is hosted on my website freemediatools.com/raw text to PDF. So here you will submit your text, any text you can write here, guys, anything. So you can have multiple line of text here, and then basically you can name your PDF file. You can change the name to, let's suppose, output. Click download, so a file will be downloaded, and now you can see that all the text has been successfully exported to PDF document. So this is a PDF file generator where you can have random raw text, and here you can basically go to, say here, JavaScript. You can have any sort of random text which is there. Let me copy this text here, and if you just want to paste a random bunch of text here inside this text area, and it will automatically calculate the spacing, margin and the padding which needs to be given. So you can see that, guys, how easily it has written the text here. You can also see the font size, all that stuff. You can control all these things in the font size. I will write the codes from scratch. We are using a library called as JSPDF. JSPDF is an open source client side JavaScript library to create PDF documents. So let's suppose you have a lot of text out there. It will automatically also name, let's suppose I have India Wiki. I have a lot of text out there. If I paste, it will automatically calculate the number of pages which are required for this purpose. So you can see that how many text I have copied this. So the limit is endless. You can have as much text that you want. Simply just paste it in the text area. Click, and now it will basically download the PDF document. So now if you open this, it will have multiple pages, 50 pages. You will see that, guys, depending upon the length of the text. And also you will see, guys, the page numbers will also get automatically inserted. So this is page 1. At the bottom side footer section, you will see that this is page 1, this is page 2, this is page 3. So this is very much essential if you are building out a ebook, and you have to have page numbers as well. So in each page number, the footer section, you will see page numbers are contained inside this. So we will try to basically build this application. It is a client side application, no server side code is involved in it. So let's start this tutorial. So first of all, guys, I am using this library JSPDF. If you don't know about this library, it's a very famous client side library, and it has its own GitHub repository. You can see the live demo. It has its own website where you can play with you can also embed images, fonts, circles, font sizes, text as well. It's a very advanced library. So we will look at a very basic example here. So just create a simple index.html file, guys. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to include the CDN for JSPDF. So whenever you do that, just after the head section, just paste the CDN for JSPDF. So after pasting the CDN, guys, now we need to have basically this interface. So this interface will contain a bootstrap class of text center. So we will have plain text to PDF converter. And then we have the form, which will have an ID of form. So inside this, guys, we will basically have a text area where user will submit their text. So we need to give it an ID to it of text, and we will have a placeholder that enter your text here, and basically it is required here. And then we will have a input field. So here you will enter the name of PDF file. So if you want to enter a name, so this is not necessary. but you can control it having an input field, dynamic input field, where you will provide the name of the PDF file. So the default value will be sample and it should be required ID name, that's all. Also, we need to give it a class of form control. So these are all Bootstrap classes, guys. So if you want this source code, guys, the link is given in the description of the video. You can check out the source code. And lastly, guys, we will have check out the full description. All the links are there. And then we have a button block, button danger. So these are all Bootstrap classes, guys. And here you will see that download PDF file. So this is the interface which is done. If you open this now, uh, we need to include the Bootstrap CDN as well, guys. So that's why you was saying you need to apply the Bootstrap CDN as well. So right here, also include jQuery as well. And for Bootstrap, you can simply go to W3 Schools and just type Bootstrap CDN, and you will get your CDN right here. So simply, we only need the CSS part. So simply paste the CDN part, and now you will see that. So you can, I think we haven't given the class to text area. This class will be form control. So if you give this class, guys, you will now see. And we just need to wrap this using the container class of Bootstrap. So this added extra padding and margin, which looks great. So just wrap this using this div tag. And now you will see that your interface is ready now. So right here, we now need to write our custom JavaScript code, guys. So right here after the body, just make a script tag. And right here, we will basically target the actual form by its ID. So when we submit event handler, so we will prevent the auto submission of the form. Then we will get the actual text, which is the actual text value. Then we will create a new instance of jsPDF, guys. We will basically pass an object here. So which object is orientation? Either it can hold portrait or landscape. We will give it an orientation of portrait. And the unit, basically it's millimeter. Format, it can be either having A4, A5 sizes, page number. You can all customize this, and then we have an option of the setting the font size. It contains a method. We will set the font size as 12, and then we will basically have one. We need to split this text into new line character. Whatever text that we got from text area, we are splitting it using a new line character, and then we need to have the line height to 6, and the page height. Page height we will get using PDF internal dot page size dot height. So this we are just calculating, guys, dynamically. This is the math that we are doing right here. We are also declaring margin to 10, and cursor will be equal to margin, and line space. So we are dividing line height by just incrementing by 2. This is little bit math, guys, that you need to do for the spacing and the margins. Page counter will be equal to 2, sorry, 1. From the first page it will start, and then we will run a simple for loop. This for loop will go until the number of lines it has calculated from the text. So now it will insert those text using the line number. We will split it using space, and line will be nothing here. Again, it will have another loop running. This will be the inner loop which will be running guys for the number of lengths which are contained inside a single line. So now to insert those characters which are contained inside a single line in the PDF document, this is slightly complicated code guys, so we are running this math here. So I will definitely recommend that you go to the description and you can purchase the source code from stripe.com or paypal.com. The link is given. Both the links are given, so check out the full description. So we have this source code, and now if you open this, you submit any text out there. You have, let's suppose, JavaScript wiki. So if you have a lot of text out there, just copy this and paste it here. So now it will be downloaded guys. You will see that the page numbers is also being populated. So this is a tool website guys. Before purchasing it, you can try out the live demo. The link is given on my website freemediatools.com/raw text to PDF. So then you can purchase it. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.